Why write the same code 5 times when you can write it once and repeat it? Get ready to discover the power of loops. Today we're mastering the art of repetition. We'll use repeat blocks to avoid writing duplicate code, combine loops with variables for amazing counting programs, and create displays that show numbers in sequence. Loops are about to change everything. Instead of copying the same blocks 5 times, we wrap them in a repeat block and tell it how many times to run. It's like having a robot assistant that follows the same instructions perfectly. Look how simple this is. Instead of 5 separate say blocks, we have one say block inside a repeat 5 loop. The computer will say hello 5 times, 1 second each. That's the power of efficient programming. Check out this comparison. Without loops, we need 5 separate blocks taking up lots of space and looking messy. With loops, we have just 2 blocks that do the same job. Clean, simple, and smart. Now we're combining loops with variables for something amazing. We set counter to 1 before the loop starts. Then we repeat 10 times, each time showing the current counter value and adding 1 to it. Watch it count. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 10. Super important rule. Always set your counter variable before the loop starts. If we forget this step, our counter might start with a random value and our counting will be all wrong. Brain challenge time? We want to count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What would we change? We'd change the counter by 2 instead of 1. And we might start at 2 instead of 1. Small changes, big differences. Pro tip. Loops and variables are best friends. Together they can create counting patterns, sequences, and all sorts of mathematical magic. This combo will be huge when we get to Python. Fantastic work! You're now programming like a pro with loops. What amazing progress! Loops eliminate all that repetitive code mess. Repeat blocks make our programs cleaner and way more efficient. Variables and loops work together perfectly for counting and patterns. And we always remember to initialize our counters first. You're officially an efficiency expert.